morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Bitcoin USD pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
Bitcoin has added 5.4% to the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator transitioned into the overbought area. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.6% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI transitioned into the positive area. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The MACD moved sharply into the negative area. The Aussie-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has moved sharply into the positive zone.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
BMW investors reacted calmly to news that free cash flow zoomed ahead in the third quarter at a much faster rate than expected by analysts. A frustrated EU and peaked Britain both exhorted the other to compromise to avoid a fast-approaching disruptive finale to the 5-year Brexit drama. Bitcoin breached the 12K mark in a rally that was highly anticipated by the market after the cryptocurrency had a 6-day streak of gains last week.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The German GfK consumer climate will be released at 400 GMT. The UK retail sales at 400 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 10:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1200 GMT. The US natural gas storage at 12:30 GMT. And the Japanese CPI at 21:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.